Actually, ambiguity part is something nobody talks about. So how did you go through that journey? Because we don't know it that we are in ambiguity until we cross it and come out. How do we, cross this path, or what are the markers of ambiguity? I know it's an off topic question, but it's something that's important for all of us designers.
Absolutely. And this topic is also very close to my heart because I deal with it every day. CleverTap is a Series C funded now, but I've been with the product since day zero when there was no product. You can only imagine the kind of ambiguity I had to deal with because there's no product you are doctoring, or there is no product you are improvising on. You're making a product from scratch. That to a kind of a CDP platform, big data platform, with a lot of nuances to it, right? It's going to be very complex tool. And even if you're not, the ambiguity can be present in any form. Because at first, when a problem statement is taken for,
Yeah.
let's say, your roadmap, we just say, okay, this is the problem we want to solve because the customer request has come in, because you're chasing some parity, or because you have some brilliant differentiator idea in your mind, right? And that I want to solve this is a
Yeah.
very plain statement. Now, to add some details to it, you go through many cycles. It is not that a PM is going to sit and write user stories which are going to be ready for the consumption of a designer. I think you as a designer need to be equally a part of this early stage of solutioning alongside business,
Yeah.
alongside engineers, alongside product managers, because they don't visualize like you do.
Yeah.
The moment you hear what is the problem, if you just start visualizing, because you have power to visualize, right? So any of these stakeholders, so you
Yeah.
need to use that power to visualize and course correct that solution in a due period of time. That collaboration over the period of time can get you to the right solution. It is not only the tech limitation, it is not only the business angle of it, and it is not only the product use cases, also about how do you productize this as a designer. Involvement of a designer at an early stage is very, very crucial. And attitude wise, I feel it's very important not to give up at this
Yeah.
phase. I've seen more often than not designers say, hey, solution is changing, it's too ambiguous, we are changing requirements every day, and we are going back to whiteboard. But that's what will happen because you're working on something big which has not been created previously.
Yeah.
So that's the crux of ambiguity, and how do you deal with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's an acquired skill. Trust me, it's not. There are times where I get frustrated with changing requirements and additional use cases. And, as I like to call it, this is my favorite thing, all variables and no constant. Being an engineer, that is back in my mind. So if you take an algebra equation and add all the variables in that without adding any constant value, how do you solve that equation, right? Many, many times you'll get into a situation where you will be given an equation with all the variables. You need to add your constants. You need to find out your constants and deal with that.
Yeah. And figure out what constants are there, first of all.
Absolutely.
Yeah.